Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you can prepare vegetable side dish garlic corn on the cob. You can prepare it in the instant pot in no time and you will never boil it using gas stove. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. To prepare garlic corn on the cob, here I have taken 4 fresh corns. You can use frozen corns also, but if you are using the fresh corns, remove the threads and wash it and then pat it dry, and these are ready to go. Today I am going to use Instant Pot IP Duo 6 quarts. I have already plugged in the Instant Pot, open the lid and now place this type of trivet inside the Instant Pot. You can use the egg tray if you don't have this one. After placing it, add 1 cup of water. This measurement is good for steaming 10 to 12 corn on the cob. I have added 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, but this step is totally optional. It will give a nice yellow color into the corn, so I have added that. Half teaspoon of salt. After mixing, start placing the corn on the cob onto the trivet as I am doing here. Once you have placed all the corns inside the Instant Pot, cover the lid. Vessel is on sealing. Now set the steam function on high pressure for about 3 minutes. To set the high pressure, you have to press the steam function twice. After that, once it is done, then I will show you. Now it's done and came to low pressure for 4 minutes. At this point, cancel the steam function and release the pressure manually and wait until the pin went down as you have seen here, and then carefully open the lid. Careful with the steam, and now see, delicious steamed corns are ready. You have seen these are perfectly steamed corns. Now using tongs, carefully hold one of the corn and remove it into the plate. And just to show you, you have seen each and every corn is perfectly steamed. This is ready to serve. You can serve it as a snack or as a side dish with your dinner or lunch, and I will show you one grain of this perfectly steamed. You can serve hot or you can serve later, however you want to. You can just sprinkle some red chili powder on top of that. I have these type of corn skewers. That is totally optional, but it will help to hold the hot corns in your hand. Let me know in the comment section below how would you love to serve corn on the cob. I will love to hear from my YouTube family. Now for the dip, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. You can use garlic powder, but fresh garlic gives more taste. And I am using black salt, but you can use regular salt. Again, it will enhance the flavor. 1 to 2 teaspoons of chopped cilantro. It will give a nice flavor. Give it a quick mix and the dip is ready. Now take 1 steamed corn and start pouring the dip that we have prepared on top of that. That is totally optional. You can just simply sprinkle salt and red chili powder and then serve it. Let me know how you would like to serve it at your home. Squeeze some lemon juice on top of that to give it a tangy flavor. And this is ready to serve. You can serve hot. And this is how it looks like. Isn't it look so yummy and tempting? You can serve hot in dinner, lunch or as an evening snack. This recipe is good for steaming up to 12 to 14 corns. You do not have to change the time, not even the quantity of water, and you will get the perfect garlic corn on the cob. If you like this easy recipe of garlic corn on the cob steam method using Instant Pot, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.